how do I get my eyeliner to be even? And the answer is pray. Hi guys, I'm Danie Chinchilla. I'm a celebrity makeup artist and I am about to show you guys 3 eyeliner looks that are going to lead up to this using my KVD Vegan Beauty Tattoo Liner. Liquid liner is best for any type of eye look that you want. You can go as thin or as thick as you want. So I started at the center of the eye and I'm just kind of creating my line really close to the lash line, and then I'm bringing it towards the outer part of the eye. And I'm going a little thicker on the outside, and as I go inward to the inner part of the eye, I'm just using the really fine tip of tattoo liner to make it really, really thin. So if you're an eyeliner beginner or you just like a really natural look, this is a really good look for you. It's natural, it defines the eye, but it keeps it very simple and it's really easy to do. Alright guys, so now that we have our basic eyeliner down and you have mastered this, so now I'm going to take this natural eye and I'm going to add just a little flick just to give it a little bit more drama that you guys can do at home. But I'm going to show you how important it is to start small and build your eyeliner look as you go. That way you don't go too far or too dramatic. You're just going to use the very tip of your tattoo liner and you're going to place it on the end of your eye and we're just going to flick. Again, if you just use the tip and you press really, really gently, you will get the finest line and it'll be super easy for you. So now that we have that done, we are going to bring the line inward. Okay, so I'm just finishing off my liner. You see how I'm using just the tip to marry the wing to the eyeliner. So a great way to know how to kind of map out your eyeliner is I like to kind of go the end of my eye towards the end of my eyebrow. So you can just kind of use your tattoo liner and kind of map it out like this. And it gives you an idea of kind of where to go with your flick, okay? There's no rules to makeup, so you could kind of do whatever you want. But this is best and it's easiest to kind of just follow what's already there naturally, your natural beauty. So now that we have this natural flick, I'm gonna show you guys how to go a little bit more extreme and a little bit more fun with your eye. So I'm gonna give you a little bit more wing. We're gonna make the eyeliner a little bit thicker, and it's really easy to do from here. So first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the tip of my tattoo liner, and I'm going to just kind of exaggerate the flick. So you see, I went the same direction, I just kind of flicked it. And I use just the tip, so don't apply a lot of pressure with your tattoo liner. So I have deep set eyes, guys, so I tend to go a little bit, well actually a lot thicker on the ends, because when I open my eyes, a lot of it tends to disappear. So if you have deep set or hooded eyes, it's really important for you to go thicker on the outside and really thin on the inside, all right? You wanna go little by little, but you wanna always look in the mirror. And with monolid eyes, I like to go just kind of like deep set eyes. I like to go heavier on the outside and a little bit thinner towards the inside, but you definitely want to exaggerate the eye more with a monolid. All right guys, so the most asked question is, how do I get my eyeliner to be even? And the answer is pray. Do a lot of praying, a lot of meditating. I'm just kidding. No, the real answer honestly is I like to use tape. I know you guys have probably seen this before, but put a little bit of tape, that way you're getting it exactly like you did the other eye. Do your flick and then take the tape off, and then you can bring it in and marry the eyeliner with the little flick. Okay guys, so this is my finished eyeliner look, my more extreme wing eye, which I love. Just finish the look off with a little bit of mascara just to give you a little bit more volume, a little bit more pizzazz, and then you are good to go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You always want to make sure to store your tattoo liner upside down so that the tip stays nice and saturated all the time when you're ready to use it. And lastly, don't be scared to try a little liquid liner. It's just makeup, you can always wipe it off, and it gives you dramatic changes. All right, thank you guys, take care.